Hi, my name is John from Drive Medical's Technical Service Department, and today I'm going to show you how to test a battery charger. The way we're going to do it is first we're going to measure the batteries in their discharged state, and then we'll plug in the battery charger and watch to see if the voltage is going to climb. If the voltage climbs, we know that the battery charger is working. Let's get started. First, we're going to turn our meter on, and we're going to set it to the 200 volt scale, volts DC. The reason why we're going to be higher is because we know that the two batteries in series will be reading at least 24 volts. If we set it on a lower scale, for example, the 20 volt scale, the meter will read over voltage and you won't get an accurate reading. So we'll be on the 200 volt scale, and what we're going to do is we're going to first measure the battery pack, the two batteries in series. Right here, the red is on the plus and the black is on the minus. And we read 24.8, 24.9 volts. So what we'll do is we're going to plug the battery pack into the circuit. What we have here are the electronics for a Cobalt power chair set up on a display to make it easy to troubleshoot and to learn from. Here we'll plug it into the circuit, and then what we're going to do is make sure that first the circuit is complete, and we'll know that by driving the chair. As you can hear the motors running, we know that this is a working chair, so the whole circuit will be complete, and we'll know that the power will be getting from the charger to the batteries, assuming the charger is working. What we'll do now is we're going to plug the charger into the front of the joystick, into the charging port, and we're going to turn the charger on. We can see the lights are on. The yellow light is on. It's telling us that it's charging, but let's double check for our own edification. We'll take the red lead and put it onto the red terminal, the positive terminal, and the black lead onto the negative terminal, and we're seeing 26.6, 26.7, climbing, 26.8. We can see that the charger is charging. So now that we have that confidence, we can leave the charger plugged in, and it'll shut off when the batteries are fully charged. Now, one other thing that I want to show you is the safety part that's built into these electronics. Now, when the charger is plugged in, we can turn it on, but if we try to drive, the chair will be in the inhibit state, and you won't be able to drive it with the charger plugged in. You can also see the scrolling on the lights. If we disconnect it, you can see that it'll run. It's out of the inhibit state. So that's the easiest way to check a battery charger, and we know that we have the confidence to set it up and go.